Hello friends. About 2 decades ago, I visited USA. Then I visited the Statue of Liberty. I was mesmerized with the beauty and the height of this statue. I was much wondering about the height. But recently, when I was studying the statues of the world, wow, the highest statue of the world is in India. It is in Gujarat. Wow. Its height is 182 meters. Tallest in the world. With the base, its height is 240 meters. Such a great height. Recently, I visited the Statue of Unity. But first of all, I tell you about the other statues of the world. Second highest statue is in China. Its name is Spring Temple Buddha. It is in China. Its height is 128 meter. Third statue in the world is Lakyun Sekye. It is in Myanmar. Its height is 116 meter. It is third. Number fourth. Amazing. It is again in India. It is recently built in 2022. It is in Rajasthan. Its name is Statue of Belief. Here we have made a statue of Lord Shiva. Its height is 112 meters. Fifth statue in the world is Ushoku Daibichu. It is in Japan. Its height is 100 meters. So let me tell you about the visit to Statue of Unity in India. I really enjoyed its beauty, its height. It is really amazing to see such a tall statue from a distance. When you see it, it looks as normal statue because we have been seeing it in the pictures. But when you actually see this statue, is amazing. When you reach the height of the base, you will reach there by lifts. Then you see you are not even reaching the feet of the statue because it is very high. Surrounding is river Narmada. Here a tent city is developed for the visitors who come here to see this Statue of Unity. Here a new city is developed for the tourists who come to see this Statue of Unity. This is a tent city and very fine, very beautiful tents are there. Very beautiful and very nice tents are here. We can enjoy food, every type of food here. Here you can stay very comfortably. Vans and buses are available to visit this statue. Whole day visitors come here to see this statue and enjoy the beauty of this statue. Friends, we have seen the statues of the world, tallest statue, in which 2 Indian statues are there. Let us see other Indian statues which are tallest in India. Besides these 2 statues, there are number 1, the Statue of Equality. It is in Hyderabad, Telangana. Its height is 66 meters. Number 2 is Paritala Ajneya Temple. It is in Andhra Pradesh and its height is 44 meters. Its height is 41 meters. Number 3 is Thiruvallur Temple. It is in Kanyakumari. Its height is 41 meters. It is in Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Statue number 4 in India. It is in Tathagat Sthal Buddha Park. We call it Buddha Park also. It is in Sikkim. Its height is 40 meters. Statue number 5 in India is Dhyan Buddha statue. It is in Andhra Pradesh and its height is 40 meters. So you enjoy how high statues are in India. So we can enjoy the statues of India and statues of the world. Hope you like this video.